family and friends, Living the Word Church constituents, those who love us both close up and far away. I want to say it's happening. Yeah, can I just couch it as saying it's happening? So right now, the outside awning is being torn down. The demolition process is in full effect. We're going to go inside and I want to show you what's happening on the inside as well. This is one of the largest projects Living the Word Church has ever taken on. And I'm so excited to see how God has given us what we'll call monumental mile markers. Let's celebrate. And it's not too late for you to be a part of what God is doing right here. So with that being said, my friends, I want to say thank you for all your support, for all your love. But don't forget, it's going to take all of us, and we got this.
What you ought to do is to miss the revival because you were waiting for proof. Let me give y'all this. For we walk by faith and not by, God ain't gonna show it to you. He's gonna have you believe it.